Hey guys, TreyBearor here. In this video, I'm going to show you guys how to create your own .com, like treybearor.com, what's also known as your domain name. Okay, so I know a lot of people have been asking me these questions like, dude, how do you set this up? I'm not getting it set up right. So I'm going to show you guys exactly how to do this. It's pretty simple. Okay, so what I'm going to do are all these steps down because I want to make sure I didn't mess anything up. So I can't promise anything, but let's see how this goes, right? So I'm in ClickFunnels right now. I'm in my dashboard. What I'm going to do is go up to the top right, and I'm going to go down to domains, okay? Okay, so you can see all the different domains that I have right now. I'd like to do that No Boss Life, but since I've already done it, I'm probably not going to be able to use that as an example. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go up to the top and say Add New Domain. I'll use a previous one. And I'm going to click on Add Your Own Domain. Now, the reason I don't suggest registering a new domain, you do get one free one from ClickFunnels. But if I ever wanted to use that site for something else, not ClickFunnels, or for whatever happens, I want to make sure I can be able to take that off. I don't know if I can do that with ClickFunnels, but I know I can through what I'm going to show you guys. So use an existing domain is what you're going to click on. And let's say this is my okay, so put in the name that you want to use. Your first name is always the best name, or if you have any cool slogan that you want to use, do that. But I'm just going to use this one, faststarttofreedom.com, and then click Add Domain. Okay, so we're going to hold off on right here for right now. We'll come back to this at the final last step. The next thing that we need to do, guys, is go into GoDaddy. Now you can use whatever you want here. You can use whatever service you want. I love GoDaddy because it's just stupid cheap. Like let's just do teambearer.com and see how much that's going to be. $2.99 for the first year, so it's $3. That's ridiculously cheap, guys, right? So you can buy that, and there's probably deals and stuff like that, but $3 you really cannot beat. So let's say I wanted to buy that. So I'm not going to go through buying this, but you can go through, buy it, go through that whole process. I'm going to log in to my account right now, and I'm going to go to my own product. Okay, so once you're in, you will see your back office or your back dashboard of GoDaddy looks just like this. You'll see your domain right there, and the only thing you need to do is here. I'll go to home just in case you don't see that. Okay, so this is showing that No Boss Life, which is pretty cool. I'm gonna click on my products, and now I will see Fast Start to Freedom. I don't know if that's what you're gonna see. Let me just make sure. I'll go to domains. This is what I think you might see once you get registered. So your domain manager. Basically, guys, what we need to do is go to your DNS, right? And so you'll see and I know that sounds kind of fancy, but trust me, it's not, okay? So I've got Fast Start to Freedom right here. You're gonna see these 3 dots right here, so click right on that. I'm gonna click Manage DNS, all right? So what we need to do is change our name servers, okay? And I know that sounds really, really fancy, but what we need to do is point these to CloudFlare, okay? CloudFlare is what's gonna allow you to have a secure website where you'll see like the HTTPS, where no hacker can go in there. It means it's secured, as that the S is. And you can do this for completely free. So I use CloudFlare, okay? So go to CloudFlare, it's right here, cloudflare.com. And here, you know what? I will just act like I've logged out of this as well, which I'm not. But go to CloudFlare. Let me see if I can go to the main thing. Yeah, whatever. Go to CloudFlare, create your own account. Let me see. CloudFlare. Awesome, right? You're gonna click sign up, right? And just so you won't, I don't think you'll need a credit card right now. Well, I'm logged in, so this is why I'm seeing this, okay? Like I said, this is gonna be free, so you don't have to worry about it. But what we're gonna do is click add site, get rid of that, and then I'm gonna put in the URL, the domain name that I bought or currently have. Add site, click on add site. This might take a little bit of a while. Okay, so what it's going to do is pull those DNS records from GoDaddy. Okay, so what you just got to do is click next, Like I said, you're going to use is it the $0 per month because you don't need all this fancy cool stuff. So $0 a month, confirm plan. Confirm. Okay. So now what you're going to do, guys, is we are going to click continue down here at the bottom. Cool. And what we're going to do is take these name servers. So we're going to change it from what this used to be to this now. So here we're going to take these from CloudFlare and we're going to go into GoDaddy and I'm going to change those out. So copy. This is the first one we're going to copy. Go into GoDaddy. Name servers right here. Right down here. Click change. Custom. Okay, and this is where you're going to put in your name server. Boom. Oops, I don't need to add that second one. My bad. Let me delete that out. And I'm going to go back into CloudFlare, get the second one, copy, paste it right in there. Cool. And then just click save. Awesome sauce. So we're going to go back to CloudFlare now and click continue. Cool, we did that, recheck now. Okay, so this might take a little bit of while. It shouldn't for much longer. Did I click save over here? Cool, that's name servers are changed there. So it might do it immediately for you, it might not. I just did exactly what I needed to do. So it might take a little bit of while. I wonder if I can just hit refresh. It's not yet active, that's no big deal. But what I can do in the meantime is go up to the DNS and I can X out some of these things, okay? So X that out, and you do the same thing. X these right out, and we're gonna create a new CNAME. Again, these are all fancy words for things that I don't know. I'm just showing you guys what to do, all right? So what we're gonna do is we're gonna go up here to the top and we're gonna click CNAME, and we're gonna put in, what is it, www, not www dot, just www, okay? And then we're gonna put in the root, what was it, fast start freedom.com, or I'd put in that no boss life, right, .com, right? So just put that and then click add record. Cool. Now we're gonna create another CNAME, so make sure this says CNAME, and this one is gonna be the @, okay? And we're gonna target this. We're gonna point this at target. Click funnels. Okay, and then the same thing. Add record. There we go. Okay, target at clickfunnels.com. Yes, we're good there. Oops, this should be at. Don't mess me up, man. At. Okay, click target. Funnels. I'm going forward. I think I did it right. All right. Add record. Now we got what now? The next thing we got to do, guys, is go to the top and create a page, a couple different page rules. So what we're doing here is saying like, if you type in www dot your domain name, like www.faststarttofreedom.com, it'll still go to faststarttofreedom.com. Or if I type in HTTPS, it'll still go to faststarttofreedom.com. Okay, so we have a page rule now. We're going to scroll down. We're going to create a page rule. I have one page rule left, so I don't know if I'm going to be able to do all of this, but I can still show you. So create a page rule. Now here I'm going to put in www.faststarttofreedom.com. You put in yours, www. Whatever your domain name is, okay? And I'm going to click add a setting. Oh, I'm sorry, not yet. /*. You need to have the /*, okay? So put in your www. Whatever your domain name is, .com /*, then add a setting. Okay, I'm gonna click pick a setting, and look for forwarding URL. Cool. Select status code. We're going to do a permanent redirect. And this is where we're going to put https / fast start to freedom.com. Okay. And then we're going to put a $$ Okay. So you need to have that. Make sure that that is in there. Put in your domain name right here, but you need the https / blah blah blah.com / $1. Okay. And go down to the bottom, click save and deploy. Awesome. So now listen, guys, I've got 3 different page rules that I've made, or else I have to buy them. So I'm going to show you guys exactly what you'd have to do. All you do is create another page rule. Okay, I'm just going to show it to you. You wouldn't have to delete these. I'm just deleting them so I can show you. All right. All right. Because I've done these, I've created other page rules. So I think with the free plan, you get like a limit of 6 or 5, or I don't really know. But same thing, you're just going to go to the over here. Once you have your setup, you'll see it right here. Or you get 3 page rules, my bad. So I'm going to do the same thing, create a page rule. And for this one, I'm going to type in https / was it fast start to freedom.com. Add a setting. We're going to do the same thing, forwarding URL, permanent redirect. Okay. And this one, I'm going to put https / www.faststarttofreedom.com. All right, so put in your name, all that stuff. All right. Save and deploy. Oops, I forgot. Oh, see, they'll tell you forgot the asterisk. And save and deploy. It is fast start to, there we go, freedom.com. There we go. Got it. Okay. All right, guys. That was literally the hardest part, okay? So you're good there. Let me pull over this paper. All right, so now what we need to do is go back to ClickFunnels. That was the hardest part. And just click, I've done this step. All right. So I'll just check and I'll say, yay, you did it. Awesome. All right, so now we're good. Now if people go to faststarttofreedom.com, they'll be able to go to, now I got to associate the funnel. So it's like, okay, you've got it all good. Everything is set up. Your CloudFlare is all good. GoDaddy's all good. But when people go to this website, what funnel do you want them to go to? Okay, so we need to associate that funnel. So let's say I want them to go to, how about this one? I'll just use my free funnel, for example. All right, so I'm going to click find the funnel that I want to use. Okay, and then click associate funnel. Okay, so now what we're going to do is we're going to click on this and we're going to do some things. Okay. Oh, that feels so good on my. Now, if it wasn't verified, it'd tell you right up here, please verify. Which looks like it's verified pretty good for me. It might not be for you, but you just got to change it. So just check these couple things. Default page, make sure you're good. Yes, it's going to my free funnel. That is awesome. Click save. Your 404 page, you guys can create a 404 page. There's actually a couple different examples of 404 pages, error pages that people type in like the wrong thing, like fast start to notfreedom.com or faststarttofreedom.com / yo, whatever it is, it'll go to a 404 error page. Okay, so you can just change that out to wherever you want them to go. You can, like I said, or starting to say, you can create one of those using a template in ClickFunnels. It's under miscellaneous funnels or templates, so just check that out. You'll see 404 pages. Zone records are good. SSL probably isn't. Okay, so I'm going to expand this and I'm going to click add SSL, right? So if CloudFlare is all set up, we should be good. It is. It says success. You'll get this little green thing that comes up right here saying you are all good. You are secured. So guys, That is it. I am actually pretty good. So let me go to that funnel. Okay, TreyBearor free funnel. And what it should say now is faststarttofreedom.com. Boom, it sure does. So there you go, guys. I'm actually have it all set up. Now listen, if I want to change this out, like check this out. So each one of these should say faststarttofreedom.com / whatever, tips. Faststarttofreedom.com / apply, right? Now, if you want to change that out, just go up to settings. I think it's settings. It's either settings or publishing. Nope, it is publishing. Let me go back. Yeah, so if I wanted this to say faststarttofreedom.com, or if I want actually, because this will say that if I, no matter what, if I go to that, watch. Oops. Not secure. Okay, so they still have to set it up. There's nothing on my part. It just hasn't caught up yet. No big deal. But let's say I want to change this one out to faststarttofreedom.com / 10 tips instead. So I'd click on publishing, and you can see where it says path 10 tips. Just type in what you want, and then click update funnel step, and it'll show you now 10 tips. So there you go, my friends. You've now set up your own domain, your own .com. I hope this video helps. Love you guys. See you guys later.